Well, hello and welcome to the Moon Palace Resort here in Cancun, Mexico. I'm gonna take you inside. I'm like right out where all the buses drop. Let's go inside and I'll give you an update. Welcome to Moon Palace Resort. My name is Nick Gray and I've been staying here for the last few days. I'm gonna give you a tour of this incredible resort, all that's inside the gym. I'll give you a room tour. I'll show you some of the restaurants. Let me grab this real quick. Let me just show you real quick what it looks like out here on the grounds. I can't wait to show you more of this. Let's go and explore Moon Palace right now. Welcome to Moon Palace Resort here outside of Cancun, Mexico. Well, the kids' splash area is behind me, and right over this way is the beach. I'm gonna walk down to the beach later and show you a little bit about it. The rooms look like this, by the way. There's many different buildings like this that each reach out like fingers to the property, showing you where it is. Well, you can see something special behind me as well, which is one of the golf carts that drive all around the property, giving people rides around the resort and the area. I'm going to take you into my room to show you a king suite upgrade. Then I'll take you to the beach. I'll show you the breakfast buffet, into the gymnasium, and a little bit more as we explore the Moon Palace Resort here in Cancun, Mexico. Let's go. 3818, let's go in for a little room tour. Now, I was upgraded to some sort of a king suite situation. And you can see that, I'm telling you, I really like this already. Look, here's me over here. They left some really nice snacks by the door. As you come into the room, you'll notice a large television. There's a work or a food table, which I really love to have. You know, one of the things I don't like when hotels, really fancy ones, don't have an area to work, because I need to just do a little computer stuff. So I'm happy that I have this here. You can see right outside. Let me poke outside. I'm here for a conference right now, and they're hosting out here this, it's a game. What is this game called, if you know? But anyhow, the views are really, really nice. Oh my gosh, such a nice view. But we're here for the room tour. So the room tour is what we're going. Looks like they gave some bottle of wine, which I appreciate. And let's go look into the bedroom. Now, I think this is wild to have a huge tub right here. Is this something that you've seen anywhere else? I don't know, I don't see that. Here's the bed, king size bed. Note, you probably know this, but if you want the nicer room upgrade, always get the king bed instead of the two queens, because there's more upgrade options available. Let's see what we can find right by the bed. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I love checking out to see what the different plugs are. And I like to see, do we have USB ports to charge? Yes, we do, right here on this JBL speaker that you can hook up. So there are some USB ports near the bed. I don't see any, yes. We do have an easily accessible power plug, which I love to see. Inside the room, nothing too special over on this side. Nice king bed. By the way, one thing I never mentioned in my videos is how firm the bed is. If you're curious about that, if you want to see me jump on the bed or something, let me know. Refrigerator stocked, fully stocked for the minibar. So I guess keep that in mind, that anything, now that I think about it, this is all inclusive. So I bet everything is free and it's included. It's not even like a mini bar. That's pretty cool. Okay, over here we have your in-room coffee selection. Now we've got these Lavazza K-Cups. You can see that there are 4 of them. I'm guessing that's Cafe Crema. This one is top class, and that one's your decaf. Do I see any tea over here? I don't see any tea selection, so if you're a tea fan, you should probably bring your own tea. Over here, just some simple stuff in the drawers. Nothing too special. Let's look at the bathroom though. There's a little luggage area. Let's look at the bathroom and see. Whoa. You guys aren't gonna believe this, but this bathroom is enormous. Oh my gosh, this is bigger than my apartment back home. Double sinks, thumbs up for that one. Huge closet. You guys, this is enormous. Double bathrobes. We love to see the double bathrobes. And then as we go back, I'm imagining this is the toilet room. We're just gonna be back here. Did we see a shower yet? Wait a second. I didn't see oh, here it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. So here's the shower. The shower is the back, and then this is the toilet. What a funny sort of bathroom arrangement that there is. I think this is interesting. Really nice room though. I'm probably gonna go check out the gym next, so let's head over there now. Let's go to El Gimnasio, also known as the gym. Well, this is a look inside at the gym. I gotta say that I'm really happy with the gym setup here. I've come to work out. Good morning. It's quite crowded now, so I don't want to intrude on too many people, but I also want to show you what they do have, which is, oh my gosh, a lady is jumping rope right by me. But I want to show you some of the exercise bikes because I personally love the exercise bikes. And it's one of my favorite things to see at a gym. You can see the squat rack that's behind me here. I think that's called a Smith machine. I'll give respect to the people that are working out, but look at these. They have 3 of these exercise bikes, which I think is really nice. Obviously, there's a lot of treadmills, there's a lot of ellipticals, and then there's plenty of different weight equipment that are hanging out here that you can see that a lot of people are using, as well as a place to work out. Somebody's stretching over here, and then tons of free weight equipment. So lots of free weights over here. And then look, they also have one of these machines, which I think is so cool. This is a pretty nice gym. I gotta say, it gets a thumbs up from me. I like it. Now I will show you the beach while I go down to do a little bit myself. Okay, you can see one of those golf carts, by the way. There's golf carts all over the property. Let me show you where we are, by the way. This is the Lago Terrace. See, this is the map of the property. Now they have these maps all over. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go check out this beach right down here. Now this is the way to the big pools. And if you keep watching that way, you'll go to the big pools, the surf machine. But the reason I wanna come down here is to show you what the beach and the sand looks like. Because I oftentimes wonder at these resorts, how does the sand look? You can see a nice little foot wash station over here, which is very cool. And here's what the sand looks like. I'm gonna give a little investigation. It's very fine sand. Wow, very fine sand. And the sand, it actually looks relatively clear. You know, this area is known for having a lot of seaweed that washes up, but I don't see a problem here. This is one of the many beaches that are here at this resort. And as you look down here, here's one thing I'll tell you. I did not notice that the water was super clear. When I went down, the water was not really clear, or when I looked at it before. However, out you can see some areas where the water is clear, but this is very nice. Wow, I gotta tell you, I'm pretty excited to go and check this out to go swim. This is the property. Here's a look at the beach. Let's continue and go explore more of this area as we walk around. Well, now I want to show you the breakfast. We're gonna go to Bougainvilleas, and this is one of the big breakfast buffets. I will show you what it looks like inside here. Oh, check it out. All good? All right, here's a peek inside the big breakfast buffet. Now, this is the buffet that is hosted for many of the meals. You can get breakfast buffet here, you can get the lunch buffet, and you can also get the dinner buffet here. It is one of the things that I like for the buffet, to be able to come and not have to wait in line. This is one of the few restaurants that actually do not need a reservation. And so it is a benefit that you don't need a reservation to come here. Look how good those flax seeds look. I like that there's different eggs over here. You can have omelets. Let's just take a peek at some of the other food that's available. You can see some different meats that are here, some plátanos or bananas. Look at these little, what are these, arepas maybe? Some sausages and some eggs. Here's all the eggs. Dude, do you guys like eggs? I love eggs personally for me. Now there's also omelet stations, there's egg stations. I see this guy making omelets right now. Here's a whole salmon area. I'll show you some of the pastries. We have some pastries out. There's some salmon that's available. Look at this nice salmon. And then there's fresh juice. You can see the fresh juice that's all the way over there. And this looks out over to the pool, to the beautiful area, which I'll show later. Here's the deal with the restaurants. You need to know this. The buffet, no reservation required. Many of the other restaurants do have breakfast, but you do maybe need to make a reservation or just show up and wait in line. They are also buffet style, which is nice. One of them right now, in fact, they'll make you omelets and they have salmon, which is pretty good. Well, the food options here are good. Let's keep exploring and let's go see what's next. So this is the coffee shop, and I want to note it because it's free coffee, obviously, which you like, but come up to me because they also have a lot of cakes. They have little sandwiches that are open, which is pretty nice. And then they also have all of these gelatos, which is so cool and delicious that you can come over here to get your coffee, get your specialty coffee. You can get a gelato, a little sandwich, The name of this place, I don't know what the name is. Actually, can we note over here the cookies? Do you see the different types of cookies that are over here, as well as the fruit? This is located right off of the main lobby as you're walking out to the pool. Definitely come here when you visit Moon Palace Resort. This is the Wired Lounge, and there's a lot of kids games in here that I want to show you because these are all free. This is part of the all-inclusive nature that you can see behind me. There's air hockey. You can see these other games. Oh my God, come in the back and look at this. Are you kidding me? What? This is awesome. Look at all these other games. There's the basketball. Watch me. Score! And then there's these other games like miniature basketball. I just wanted to show you this stuff because all of this is part of being in this resort. And if you have kids and you're thinking like, oh my God, I want to play ping pong or something like that, you have all of these options here for them to play this. This area is called the Wired Lounge. And so you'll come to the Wired Lounge with your kids to be able to play with all of this stuff right off the main lobby. Check it out. Well, I'm checking out now, and I want to give a little recap of how I think about the Moon Palace and specifically the Sunrise where we were. It is an all-inclusive resort, and that means that everything is included, which I loved. The guacamole flowed like water. There were Diet Cokes everywhere, things that I love. The mini bar was free. There were snacks everywhere. I didn't have to wait too long for the restaurants, never dealing with a bill. These are all factors of an all-inclusive. How was this one? I didn't really love having to walk so far. The beach water wasn't that nice. But I was here for a conference, and it was fine. You know what? I saw a lot of people that were really happy and that were happy with it. And I think based on what you saw from my room, based on what you know about the restaurants and that you read in the reviews, you can enjoy this place. For the price that we paid, I'm happy with it, and it was okay. I usually spend a lot of time at luxury resorts. I'm going now to the St. Regis, in fact. This is not that. It's more of a family resort. Okay, all drinks are included. Have a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed here. Tell me in the comments where you're going and if you have any questions. My name is Nick Gray. I travel the world going to hotels and resorts. I pay for everything, and I give you my unfiltered review. Thanks and have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.